Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to be building the chairs from Emily's flower shop, which has been a little bit of a fiddly task. So here's all my tools and equipment. First up is gluing the first chair with fabric. Now, one thing I noticed about Roll Life is they don't actually have any templates for fabric, so they just give you measurements to cut out, which is different to other kits I've done which have not been Roll Life. They've given you a little template which has little squares that you can kind of like cut out, which makes the fabric fit the furniture better. So I ended up having to trim this a little bit more than what the instructions said in terms of the sizing. And even then I had a lot of leftover fabric, which I then had to kind of glue and tidy up and make it look as neat as possible, which I didn't really like. So I think, yeah, the instructions weren't so great. This back piece is glued on underneath to connect the back of the chair, which I thought was pretty clever. And the back of the chair is made with toothpicks. The top part of the toothpick has those little ridges cut out, which give it a nice design. And then there's some extra dowel rods to cut out for the chair legs. This is pretty easy to cut just with the crafting knife, just rolling it around, and then once you've gone around the full circumference, you can just snap it off. And I did sand the edges a little bit to give it a smoother finish. Gluing the chairs together, I'm just using a wood glue, just trying to get it as even as possible. There were measurements in the instructions, which helps to let you know where the center part is, and then just letting them set before sticking them onto the underside of the chair. As you can see, there's little grooves that they go into to sit, and luckily I got the measurements pretty good. And then just putting the other connectors on either end. A little bit fiddly for this one, but not too bad. Gluing with wood is always a little bit easier if you've got decent glue, and it can set pretty quickly. Gluing on the backs now. So here's my toothpicks that I cut out earlier to glue the back seat of the chair. As you can see, I'm doing it very gracefully. Then I just let those set until they were nice and dry, making sure they were straight. And then finally, it's just the top bit. Now, I'm pretty sure the instructions said to paint that top bit a different color, so I did, but now it is a completely different color to the rest of the chairs, so I might have to fix that up later. Moving on to the second chair, which was the worst chair because the legs are made out of wire, and if anyone's built anything with wire, you know it sucks, especially gluing it. So I'm trying to use some masking tape to hold it in place, which does help and stop it from moving. I originally used a super glue which did not stick at all to the wire, so I decided to switch over to a UV glue, which sets pretty much instantly, but as you can see, it's a little bit messy from the other glue application I had tried, so it is not the prettiest looking chair, admittedly. Gluing with wire is also hard, but I found using the UV glue to be the best option because you only need a little bit of it and it does set. That being said, it is a little bit tricky to hold in place whilst you're shining the light on it. And yeah, gluing the side bits was tricky and I got them a little bit uneven, which, yeah, not so great. Anyway, I got the chair done and they're looking okay. Not the neatest chairs I've ever made, but still not too bad. First time using UV glue, so hopefully I'll get better at that. If you like this video, please remember to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos of me building miniatures. Thanks for watching.